Hello everybody, Kombucha Mamma here. I am going to be hosting a brew along community event with Dr. Pedre, Happy Gut, coming up on Friday, August 16th. And I hope that you will join us. In this event, I am going to lead us step by step through the process of brewing our own kombucha. So take advantage of this opportunity. Go ahead and grab your kit today. You have a special coupon code, HAPPYGUT25, to get you 25% off. You are gonna love this, and it's gonna make it so simple. So if you've been wanting to brew your own kombucha, if you've been wanting to save money because it's adding up on your grocery bill, or your thirst has outgrown your budget, which is what happened to me. That's why I started making my own kombucha. I had to have more and my budget wouldn't allow it. So I got my own magic jars and I started making my own. So grab your Brew Now kit, grab your Brew Now jar kit, and let's get brewing. We're gonna do a brew along, community brew along. Woo, 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 woo. So myself, Dr. Vince Pedre, HAPPYGUT25 for your discount. And I can't wait to see you there on Friday, August 16th, 9 a.m. Pacific, noon Eastern. And don't worry, this is a completely free event. Brew along with us and brew up some community.